Hello students, today we're going to begin our Alma Thomas painting, and we're going to do some underpainting, which is something painters do so that all of their canvas or all of their paper is super colorful and bright, and that the overpainting they do is even prettier. We're going to use watercolor. You must get paper towels, water, and a brush. I used a large flat brush, and the bristles are straight across. To begin, you set up your workspace. Make sure everything is in reach for you. You can share water with one other person. I wet my brush. I swirl it into an oval to lift some pigment, and then I create a circle anywhere on my paper. It can be smack dab in the middle or somewhere else. Then I'm going to clean my brush by bopping it into the bottom of the water cup and then slowly scraping my bristles on the lip of the cup. This way I don't splash, my table doesn't get wet. And look, I created a concentric circle, leaving just a little bit of white space. This way, those two watercolor areas do not bleed into one another. I bop my brush in the cup, scrape it, no hitting or slapping or splashing, and then I can use another color. I continue in this way until I run out of space for circles, but then I still form those concentric lines until I run out of room on the entire paper. So you can see I'm still creating lines around my other circles, even though they continue off of the edge of the page. This is called an open composition because it goes off of our paper. And there. This is the time where I'm working slowly because now I need to go back in when the areas have dried and fill in those white spaces. If your watercolor is still very wet, you should wait. But now that these inner areas have been done for a while, they are dry enough for me to add color into the white space. By the end, your entire paper will be completely covered with watercolor. So beautiful, especially when we're using watercolors with so many different colors. All right, so that's the end of part 1. You can put your art somewhere to dry.